I'm gonna break the biggest credit repair myth you've been told your whole life. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are not credit bureaus. Matter of fact, they're not even the government. They're just LLCs making money off your data. I'm going to be working with a lot of you one-on-one for free, so listen up because this is for you. What most people are taught, because the system is set up for us to fail, is that those three names are government credit bureaus. And that's a lie. They are reporting agencies. Google it. There's only one credit bureau, and that's the CFPB. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion make billions of dollars every year selling your information. And we need to stop giving them the power they don't have over our finances. The CFPB leans more in your favor than they do the credit reporting agencies. But you got to know how to use the law and bring in the big dogs when needed. This video was meant for you because I'm going to give you some game that's going to change your life forever. And I claim it in the name of Jesus. I'm going to tell you how to get every item that's hurting your score off your credit report, and how to scare off those stupid debt collectors that blow up your phone every day. Let's get it. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are sloppy and report information wrong all the time, and that's why they're always getting sued. Under the law, when errors exist, items cannot legally stay on your credit report. Even if you owe the debt, it's still got to come off. And when you apply pressure, the CFPB will force the credit reporting agencies to comply. That's how I'm going to help you break those financial chains. Okay, now that's the strategy for getting the items removed from your credit report. But in the meantime, how do you get the debt collectors off your back? We're going to set this up in a way where the debt collectors will owe you money for harassment. So don't think for a second that just by ignoring their phone calls that they'll just go away. People are getting sued every day and money taken out of their paychecks and garnished because debt collectors are taking them to court. You got to pick up that phone. So this is the script you need to use on them, and also record the call, because if they violate this script I'm about to give you, they owe you money. So here we go. Ring, ring. You pick up. Hello, this is Tim from 123 Debt Collection Agency. This is an attempt to collect a debt, and any information obtained will be used for that purpose. Here's where you come in. Hey, Tim. Thanks for letting me know, but I need to make you aware that I do not acknowledge this alleged debt, and I'm requesting validation in writing as allowed under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act 15 USC 1692G. Tim then says, can you confirm your social security number and date of birth? You then say, no. If you're contacting me about a debt, you should have that information anyway. I will not provide you with my personal information over the phone. Please send me any documentation to my mailing address you have on file. Now, at this point, this is when Tim starts getting a little flustered, and then he hits you with, your original debt was $5,000. We can settle this debt today for $1,000 or a payment plan. Which option would you like to agree to? You say, I am not agreeing to any payments or arrangements again. I dispute this debt and request validation. Please send me written verification, including the original creditor's name, account number, and any contract with my signature to the address you have on file. Tim says, if you don't pay, then further action is going to be taken against you. You then reply, I understand your position, but be aware, under the FDCPA, you must cease collection efforts until you provide proper validation in writing. Also, I prefer communication in writing only. Please do not call me at inconvenient times or outside of written communication. Once again, send all correspondence in writing, not a phone call, to my address you have on file. Thank you. Now, at this point, every time they call you, record it, keep track, because every time they call you, you can get up to $1,000 per violation because they are under law harassing you. Comment the word me, and I'll work with you for free to game plan getting out of compliant items removed from your credit report using the laws that are in your favor. Share this video with someone that needs to hear it. Let's break those chains. Love y'all.